Ila. Seryoso yung tanong ko.
Sige na doon. Sige na doon.
Fast talk. Hindi. Kaya boy, kumusta ang ano? Halika na, Rinnie.
Okay, hindi na ako makatayo. Hi, Erwin. Okay.
Ayan.
Yes, Don.
Kumusta ang ano, parang estado ng talk show industry sa Pilipinas? Being the king of talk. Hindi, parang ano, di ba?
Mas challenging. Because of social media. I mean, you know, everybody has a talk show.
Yes.
Anybody can do a talk show. The talk show concept has been democratized, which is good. It's extremely competitive kung iisipin mo. Kahit hindi masyado maraming talk show sa television, but you're competing with the world.
Pero hindi, ikaw na nga lang yan.
Hindi ha?
Ang TV.
No, I know. But television is competing with everything.
Okay.
Diba?
Pero ang kalaban mo nga ay social media or mahirap bang ka-competition
Mahirap.
nowadays?
And that's the reason why I have a 20-minute show. Noong mga kapanahonan natin, nung nag-umpisa tayo, can you imagine a 20-minute show? Diba? It's recognizing na iba na yung rhythm, iba na yung panlasa, iba na ang attention span, iba na ang paggawa ng balita. We realizing all this humbles all of us, di ba?
Pero do you still enjoy? Na-enjoy mo pa ba itong...
Oo naman. Pag ako'y nag-umpisa ng talk show, pagpasok ko doon sa aking munting entablado, happy place ko yun. Happy place.
Pero kumusta yung relationship mo sa mga artista because of fast talk?
Kanino? Okay naman.
Sa lahat?
No, in the beginning, nung magwa 1 year and a half na in the beginning, I think there was some apprehension, lalo na ng Channel 7 artists.
Yes.
Because I think my presence was not comfortable. No, I was welcome, but many of them were not comfortable doing talk shows.
Naintindihan mo yun?
Naintindihan ko yun.
So, anong ginawa mo for...
Sige lang. Pero marami rin naman ang excited na katuwaan lamang ito, which is of 20 minutes of conversation. But I was aware na merong... The word I think is apprehension. Na hindi na masyado ngayon, siguro.
Pero pag sinasabi nilang dream come true, na na-interview mo sila, how do you feel about it?
Nakakataba ng puso.
Para kang Diyos, di ba?
Hindi. Pero meron ding pananaw na ganito na ba ako katanda?
Talaga. So...
Meron ding sense na gano'n. Remember doon, fan ako. Oo. I remember my first meeting with Ate, dream come true. Namumutaw yan sa bibig. Nakaka-flatter. Siguro dahil pinagbutihan natin ang trabaho. Hanggang doon lang.
Pero ngayon, parang bumabalik na naman yung situation ng showbiz na uso na naman yung demanda. How do you feel about it?
Territorial.
Kasi,
kung ang pinag-uusapan mo yung kina Bea, Cristinelli, at Ogie, that's territorial. You know, when you are in the public sphere, mangyayari yan. Pero I will not pretend to know the details dahil I'm not familiar with the complaint. I'm not familiar with the defense. Ang maganda lang siguro dito ay dinala sa forum na tama. May reklamo, may nagreklamo, may mag-defend, at may arbiter, which is the prosecutor ngayon. Pero it's ancillary to what we do.
Is it
hazard of the trade?
Is it healthy or... Kasi there was a time, di ba, especially nung pandemic, bumait ang mga tao But this time, parang nagiging fighter na naman lahat. Even yung mga artista, ang tatapang ulit.
Ako, ayoko sabing healthy, but it's territorial. Okay. It's part of the territory. This is not something na, ay, ba't nangyari ito? It's territorial. Sigurado ako, pagtatanggol ni Cristinelli at saka ni Ogie ang kanilang mga sarili. In the same way that pinaniniwalaan ni Bea ang kanyang reklamo.
Pero Kuya Boy, naka-experience ka na ba ng libel or ng demanda?
May demanda nung ginagawa ko ang Star Talk.
Okay.
May demanda. Tama ba?
Yes.
Oo, meron. Oo, isa. May isa. But, dinimanda kami ni Don Zulueta. Dinala kami sa Manila Prosecutor's Office. Wala namang probable cause. Pero yes, naranasan ko na. Pero maraming beses ako na principal's office at kinakausap ako kung public figures are very sensitive people. Kasi syempre, you deal with public images. You deal with celebrity.
Hindi hindi kayo friends ni Don nung time na yan? Walang
Zulueta? Magka-co-host ko sa Star Talk.
So dinimanda ka niya because
Hindi, kaming dalawang idinimanda.
Kayong dalawa ni Don, okay.
Oo.
Sino nagdemanda?
Sabrina M. Oo.
So hindi mo Charot.
Hindi naman.
Hindi, pero kayo
Pero
okay, salve pasensya na.
Tama, no?
Sabrina M.
Oo, pero wala na. Naayos
Okay.
naman. Naayos naman.
Pero kayo ni Bea, okay kayo? Kasi may mga time nung meron kang, alam mo
Hindi
na.
pa kami nagkakausap.
Kasi di ba may
After
sinabi
nun,
ka,
Hindi pa kami nagkakausap.
the breakup, ikaw daw ang parang sa'yo nang galing
May mga
muna.
nagko-confirm daw na.
I'll be very honest doon, Salz. Hindi pa kami nagkakausap. This is not the right time to talk about it.
Okay.
Kasi
Oo
parang
nga eh.
ayoko naman makisaw-saw. Hindi ako kasali dito sa kwentong ito. I didn't do wrong to anyone. But that's for another time. That's for another time. I'm hoping na isang araw ay mabigyan kami lahat ng pagkakataon makapagpaliwanag sa isa't isa.
Ano Kuya Boy, nasaktan ka?
I don't know kung...
I'm not sure kung nabasa mo yung mga reaction during the time.
Oo. Hanggang ngayon nga eh.
Oo,
May
hanggang
mga
ngayon.
reaction
Kaya
na,
nga,
bakit si Boy Abunda hindi
Yes.
kasama? Oo naman doon. Para naman ako. Hindi ko alam kung nasaktan, but I minded. And I'd like to be able to explain that position isang araw. Ngayon lang is the wrong time. There's a right time to speak and there's a right time to keep quiet. Tinatanong lang ninyo ako kaya ako sumasagot. But may panahon. May panahon. But yes, I mind them.
Okay.
Ayoko kasi pahabain yung kwento kasi I'm sure Bea has a side to her story. I'm sure she has a reason why she said that there were others who confirmed without our consent. I'm sure may pinanggagalingan siya.
Okay.
Meron din akong pinanggagalingan what I did. This is how far I'll go. I did confirm it was not a crime. But my intention was not just confirming. It was an appeal for kindness and for sobriety para sa kanya at para kay Dong.
And ginawa mo yun not for ratings or mauna kayo. Okay. Kasi ganun yung naging na preempt
Or
and
not to
everything.
create
I was not
controversy?
aware that there was going to be a joint statement. I was not doing it for the ratings, a short statement, an appeal for sana ipagdasal natin na maayos, sana ibigay ng Diyos what is best for them. No. At quota na ako doon. Kung ratings lang ang hanap mo.
Do you wish you could have handled it different?
No. Because I'm very intentional, Alan. My intention was primarily to appeal for kindness nga. Kasi during that time, di ba, this is how far I'll go.
Okay.
Di ba during that time they were talking about it didn't work kasi the previous relationship didn't work, Dominic was being called names, etc. Parang to me it was getting into a level of it was nasty. Parang pwede ka naman magkomentaryo, pwede ka naman mag-opinion, pwede naman tayong mag-disagree, pero parang there's a line that I thought was being crossed during that time. Kaya ako nakiusap sa audience. May nakiusap pa sa akin si Bea o kaya si Dominic na mag-appeal for... Hindi, ako lang yun. Ako lang yun.
Kasi nag-iba yung dating eh, di ba? Although, alam mo naman ngayon,
Hindi, okay, I
I
totally...
mean, kahit anong gawin mo, may
No,
reaction ng mga tao.
And
diba?
that's fine, man. With humility, I'm fine. Yun ang mundo natin eh. Sabi ko nga kanina, it's territorial. Bahagi yan ng ating mundo. May matutuwa, may makakaunawa, may hindi makakaunawa, may mga bagay na ipaglalaban ka. Pero timing is very important. Sabi ko nga, I am uncomfortable talking about this because I am not part of that issue now.
Last na lang, kumusta na kayo ni Chris Aquino?
Okay naman.
Kasi the last time na nakita ng mga tao si
nagkaka-
Chris sa fast.
Hindi kami nagkakausap. I'm very careful because remember, ang huli namin pag-uusap, she was going to go through
Yes.
a 6 months parang isolation. So nangangapa ako. But I should be sending messages. Nagte-text ako kay Bimb, nagte-text ako kay Alvin once in a while, nangungumusta. But I really every night I pray for her. I pray for her health. I pray for Chris.
Pero kumusta na si Joshua, Kuya Paul? Andito siya.
Hindi ko alam. Ang madalas, hindi naman madalas, ang kakontak ko si Bim, who would greet me once in a while, kung ano man ang St. Patrick's Day, yung mga Thanksgiving, whatever, New Year, Christmas, Valentine's.
Although joke ngayon eh, pero nagpadala ka na ba ng pambili ng gamot? Di ba sinabi niya yung contract mo
Seryoso ito, no? Hindi naman kailangan ni Chris siguro. Pero kahit anong kailangan na magagawa ko, alam ni Chris at alam ng puso niya na gagawin ko. Oo.
Okay na guys, dami na natin matatanong.